Sheet 5, that is word problem. Okay, Anjali spent 1/5 of her pocket money on comics and 3/4 on sweets. How much of her pocket money did she spend altogether? Okay, for this money spent on comics, money spent on comics, money spent on comics, and another one is on sweets. Okay, another one is sweets. That is money spent on sweets. In this case, that is total amount of money spent on comics is equals to 1/5, and money spent on sweets is 3/4. Okay, these two fraction numbers are given. Now you have to, how much money of her pocket money did she spend altogether? For this we have to add up these two terms. Okay, we have to add these two terms. So the total money spent altogether. Okay, total money spent altogether. Okay, so total money spent together is equals to 1/5, and that is money spent on comics, that is 1/5 plus money spent on sweets, that is 3/4. LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. Okay, that is LCM of 5 and 4 of 5 and 4 is equals to 20. We know LCM of 5 and 4 is equals to 20. Now so 1/5 that is equals to 1/5 into 4. We have done earlier this type of sums. Okay, so 1 into 4, that is we have to bring 20 in a denominator. Okay, so as same for 3/4 multiply 4 with 5, and in 3 also you have to multiply with 5. So in this case it becomes 4/20 plus 5 3s are 15 by 20, 15 by 15 by 20. Okay, now it becomes 15 plus 4 is 19, that is 4 plus 15, 4 plus 15 by 20. Okay, this becomes 19 by 20. So this is your answer. Okay, so how much money of her pocket money did she spend altogether? She spent 19th by 20 of her pocket money. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 1A. Okay, now question number 2, that is B. So in this question, in a high jump contest, Ramesh jumped 3.8 by 9 meter and Rakesh jumped 4.1 by 3 meter. Who jumped more height and by how much? Okay, so for this, Ramesh jumped and another one is your Rakesh jumped. Ramesh jumped up to how much height? 3.8 by 9. 3.8 by 9 meter. 9 meter. Okay, so this becomes 35 by 9. Okay, you have to break this mixed fraction into a fraction. 3 9s are 27. 27 plus 8 is 35 by 9. Okay, next one is Rakesh jumped 4 whole 1 by 3, that is 4 1 by 3. 4 1 by 3 meter. Okay, in this case, similar way, 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13 by 3, 13 by 3 meter. 3 meter. After this, you have to find the LCM of 9 and 3. Okay, LCM of 9 and 3 is equals to 9. LCM of 9 and 3 is equals to 9. Okay, now who jumped more height and by how much? For this, we have to form the same denominator. Okay, in this case, you have to form the same denominator, that is 13 by 3. 13 by 3. Okay, so 13 by 3 means you have to multiply 3 with 3 to form the 9. So 13 into 3. So this becomes 13 3 is a 39. Yes, 13 3 is a 39 and 3 3 is a 9. Now when their denominator are same, you have to compare. Okay, you have to compare numerator. Okay, as 39 is more than the 35. Okay, 39 is more than 35. So Rakesh jumped more than Ramesh by how much? For this you have to subtract these two terms, that is 39 by 9 minus 35 by 9. This is equals to 4 by 9. Okay, 4 by 9 meter. This is your answer. Okay, now next question is question number C. Your question number C is, during examination Sonal studied for 3.5 hours. She studied science for 1.5 hours and mathematics for rest of the hours. How much time did she study mathematics? So total time is 3 by 2. Okay, this is a very good question. Okay, so total time of study is given 3 by 2 hours. Okay, and time for science and mathematics. Okay, time elapsed in science, that is time she studied science for 1.5 hours, 1 by 4 hours. Okay, and rest is mathematics. So now just put all the terms, fill all the terms. Total time of study is 3 by 2 hours, that is 3 by 2 hours. Okay, this becomes 7 by 2 hours. 7 by 2 hours. Okay, in simple that is, in short, we are writing HR, okay, for hour. Time elapsed in science, that is 1 by 4 hours. 1 by 4 hours, okay. This is equals to 5 by 4, 5 by 4 hours, okay. Now you have to subtract 7 by 2 minus 5 by 4, okay. That is mathematics, time elapsed for mathematics, okay. That is this is equals to 7 by 2 minus 5 by 4. In this case, you have to find the LCM of 2 and 4 is LCM of 2 and 4 is 4, okay. And simply you have to find 14 minus 5. This becomes 9 by 4. When you are just solving in a mixed fraction, you will get 8 1 by 4 hours, okay. So this is your answer. Next, now question number D. Mr. Gupta had 15 2/5 liters of petrol in his car. He went for a drive. By the time he reached home, he had only 2 1/3 liters of petrol left. How much petrol was used? It is the same question as we have done earlier, okay. So as a hint, I will do this question, okay. So to total petrol in Mr. Gupta's car is equals to, and is equals to how much? It is 15 2/5, sorry, 15 2/5 liter, 5 liters, okay. So this becomes how much? 75 plus 2, that is 77/5. 5 liters. And when he reached home, he had only how much? 2 1/3 liters of petrol left, okay. petrol left after drive is equals to how much? It becomes 1/3 liters. 1/3 liters. Okay, this is equals to 7 by this is equals to 7 by 3 liter. So how much petrol was used? So total petrol used is equals to total petrol used is equals to (77) by 5 liter. This is the total amount of petrol. We have to subtract this term with 7 by 3. Next step is just leaving. You have to find it. First of all, you have to find the LCM. Okay, first step is you have to find the LCM. First step is you have to find the LCM. Find the LCM of 5 and 3. Okay, after that you have to subtract it. Second step is you have to subtract it. Okay, then subtract it. Okay, as we have done earlier how to subtract. Okay, in the previous sum we are doing that subtraction part, as same you have to do it. Okay, thanks for today.